How to move emails from Primary to Gmail. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to move emails from Primary to Gmail. First, go to the web browser and open the Gmail website. Here, click on the promotion area of your emails. Now, select the email and drag it towards the primary area. After that, reach the primary area and you will find the email area. Following that, click on the email and select the three dots shown at the top. Now, select the label as option and take the primary option. In this way, you'll be able to move emails from Primary to Gmail. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.